It's Vlogmas time, it's Vlogmas time, it's Vlogmas time again. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, it's Vlogmas time again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Design Aesthetics by Sharlarose. So on tonight's video guys, I'm basically gonna finish cleaning up the living room, decorate for Christmas, all them good things. Alright, so you definitely want to stick around for that. Plus I have some new act that I'm gonna be showing you guys how I clean my rug. Every time I come over here I have some kind of new act for you guys. Alright, also I'm gonna show you guys some furniture that I make over and things. I don't want to stay for all of that, okay? And you guys could clean along with me. I try to motivate and all them good things. Just go grab a broom, a mop, a dustbin, something, and clean along with me, because guess who else is helping? Josiah is over here helping me. He's getting himself into all type of pickles. Go over there and you can see your face better. Go that way and then you get bigger. See? Look at it now. See? You see all your face. Come over here. Go next to Ryan. Talk now. Talk.
Welcome to this video. Welcome to this video. And doing this house. I find that video. And doing just dive in the
Go back next to Ryan. And you can see yourself.
Mama, put it farther over there.
It's okay, right? Alright guys, so I'm not sure if you guys are aware that I dibble dabble in making over furniture and things like that. So this dresser that you're seeing here is a piece that I did over the summer. I found it in the street. It was dirty and old, grimy, basically dilapidated. Well, I think that's a stretch. It wasn't really dilapidated, but just had to bring it back to life, right? So I painted it in white and put some gold trimmings and things like that. I have a video of me doing all of that, so if that's something you guys want to see in the near future, just leave a comment down below and let me know. All right, and I'll show you guys. And I found this brand new paint at Lowe's and it's been holding up. It's been holding up. There is no cracks, no stains, or not like that. It's just that I am not sure which direction I want to go as far as, you know, making over furniture. I've done some pieces that I already sold and, you know, people love it. Plus, I've been making over furniture for a while now. It could be another source of income for me. I love doing it. I literally have 2 garages full of inventory that I found on the street. So why not? I might just start a whole new channel just for that. I'm still gonna be here doing my shopping hauls, home decorating videos, cleaning videos, just basically vlogs with my family and things like that. I still have yet to get down to the decluttering part of all of this because girl don't like to let go of nothing. I think I'm borderline order or something like that. I really have to get down to decluttering, so those might be in some of the videos and things like that. So guys, please go subscribe to my channel. Please like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of every single time I put a new video up. I just really want you guys to know that I appreciate the love that I've been getting from y'all. It's really gratifying to see that you guys are tuning into my channel. And even if it was just 1 subscriber, guys, I would still really appreciate it. So, you know, this is just me documenting stuff for myself more so. But if I get some subscribers, I would love that too. But it's not all about the numbers all the time, right? Like I said, I'm doing this just to document. I could watch this back in the future with my family and things like that, sit and laugh. You know, that's just basically some of the stuff why I do it, you know. So you know, if you want to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. All right.
I want the kids shows, Grandma.
You want the kids show? Give me 1 second, okay? Alright guys, so since last night, which was way late in the night, around 3:30 a.m., this is where, this is, EJ, stop that. As you guys can hear, I'm babysitting. Alright, Karif didn't go to school this morning. It snowed and we literally got up late, so we stayed home today. So the Christmas tree is up, but I am nowhere close to being done. I still have to take these things downstairs. The rug needs to be shampooed. I'm still babysitting. My back is hurting. I still have the rest of the living room to clean. I am so tired, so hungry. Who want to come help me? Please. Sorry to stop you guys in the middle of cleaning, but just a quick intermission. I picked up these items here from Burlington, and out of all of them, I really love this picture frame here. It's from my son's room, and the quote says, "Some people want it to happen, some wish it would happen, others make it happen." And this is such a strong, powerful quote if we would just go by it. The comforters here, I picked up that one from my room and the Nautica one for Karif's room. Safi already put hers on her bed, so you know, Jamaican style, we do the Christmas spreading of the bed and change curtain the night before, but I actually went ahead and did mine like, you know, 2 weeks ahead, so everything is set and ready to go. Alright, so far I worked on the entertainment area here. I went ahead and I put some nails on the inside of the drawers so I could hang the stockings. So that's where I'm going right there. So up here I went and got the kids Christmas pictures, which I take out every year. I recently added the latest one, which I'll show you guys in the reveal. I put some stuff on the shelves. This one still need, you know, to finalize. This one right here, I still need to get rid of some stuff. Had some stuff, as you can see. I still have my hammer and my screwdriver. Still having to put away some more stuff. It's just, you know, I'm getting there. We're getting there. I got rid of some of the fall pillows and things like that. The kids will also help to finalize the decoration of the Christmas tree. So you gotta watch to see all of that, okay? Initially, I was thinking not to wash the cushions and stuff like that for the sofa, but I'm thinking like if I have a clean rug, everything is fresh, why not wash the cushions and things? So I did wash the cushions for the sofa. I just lost the footage for that, or maybe I wasn't recording when I thought I was, but just so you guys know, they were washed, they're fresh and clean, and everything for Christmas to ring it in is nice, fresh, and smelling yummy. Yes, there's always a storm before a calm, and yes, the couch has the little dirt and dust and things like that, but that is to be expected. I have kids, and you guys might be saying, oh, that's no excuse, they're older kids and stuff like that, but at the same time, they're kids. So now my cushions are nicely fresh and washed. I place them back on the cushion and we are good to go. All right. So the living room area is almost done. Then I'll move on to the kitchen and the bathroom, because this is where we spend most of our time. So it gets messed up very easily and I have to clean it very often. So come with me, guys, and you'll see what's going on. I'm just doing an experiment here, guys. So up the top there where you see it's clean, which I didn't expect it to get that clean so fast, like 2 minutes and it was cleaning. I had actually pre-treated it with some oven cleaner. So for this little area here, I'm gonna spray it. And like I said, this is just for my personal experiment. I'm gonna spray it, let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, because I really want to see if it works. So this is almost done. And guys, if you can get the one that's not smelly, this one has no harsh odors at all. And I got this at Shoppers Fair. It's the Brillo brand. No odor at all. So this area too. So I'm just gonna focus over here because I want to do a little experiment. I'm gonna do right here with the oven cleaner, this particular area here, and then I'm gonna leave the other area, which is down here, right? And I'm gonna see if I'm gonna do it in like a 2-minute spin with the vacuum cleaner and see if it's really the oven cleaner that made it clean. Plus I have the gain in the water. All right, so I'm gonna let this soak up. This is done, so I'm gonna let this soak and pre-treat, and I might even take it a little bit further and tape it off just so you guys could really see if it's working. If it works, guys, we have hit the jackpot of pre-treatment for carpeting. Okay, so at this point it's coming down to the wire where this is the last area of the living room that needs to be cleaned. So I'm gonna just get this area done, but I had to take a breather. I was so tired, hungry, and my back was killing me. So I went and took a shower, had something to eat, and came back refreshed. So this is me all refreshed and ready to go again. But guys, this isn't an easy job. Trust me, this cleaning and decorating thing, it really takes a toll on your body, especially if you're having like, back pains and things like that. So it's no walk in the park, okay? No walk in the park. So this is the last area here that I have to clean, and the living room is done. So I don't know if you guys realize, but my method of cleaning is I decorate as I clean. That way I don't have to keep going back and forth, and all that stuff. So that's just the way I do it, and it works for me. So if this is something you guys like to try, go right ahead. Go over there and you could see your face better. Go that way and then you get bigger. See? Look at it now. See? You see all your face. Come over here. Go next to Ryan. Talk now. Talk.
Welcome to this video. Welcome to this video. And during this time, I try the video. And raising just dive in
Go back next to Ryan and you can see yourself.
Mama, put it farther over there.
It's okay, Ryan. Alright guys, so I got the pillows down and everything is nice and clean. I took the cushion covers off. They're washed, smelling fresh and all of that. And the look I was going for is really for it to have one continuous look coming from here all the way around, like a sectional. So it looks cohesive to me. And yeah, that's it for the pillows and the chair. This is just a quick reveal of what I did for my living room as far as Christmas decorating goes. So I'm just gonna start in the hallway here. So this is just this little area here. The door, I found those on sale in Stop and Shop. Unbelievable. I think I got them for like $4.99, or it could be less. So this is what that area is looking like over here. And most of these stuff I've had since last year or even longer. So this is what the entry area is looking like. That's an extra blanket there, under here, in this little corner here. Then over on the sofa area, just pillows, the picture frame. So I tried to set up the pillows here so that it looks like a full sectional, just by putting the two larger pillows at the end and then the little ones in the middle. Just try to give it a cohesive look going straight across. Then this is the center table, you know, just some Christmas stuff, this candle here and things like that. The Christmas tree, I think it turned out beautiful. Then over on the entertainment area here, you could see I got a fireplace going and some stockings on my dresser here that I remade over. Just some Christmas pictures and things like that on the mantle from years past. So I took those out. That's it, guys. I didn't do too much, like I said. This is it. Hope you guys enjoy your Christmas holiday like myself and my family. Have a beautiful one until I see you next year. Bye. It's Vlogmas time, it's Vlogmas time, it's Vlogmas time again. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. It's Vlogmas time again. Outside the snow is falling, friends.